In today's video, I am going to teach you how to save Squarespace website as PDF. This is a simple way to keep a copy of a Squarespace page on your computer, share it for review, or store it for your own records. You do not need to install any special software for this. Most modern web browsers already include a built-in option that lets you print a web page to a PDF file. The process only takes a few moments, and once it is saved, the PDF can be opened like any other document on your computer. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Squarespace page that you want to save as a PDF. This can be a public page on a Squarespace website or a page you are viewing from your own site while working in the browser. Make sure the page is fully loaded before moving on. If there are images, sections, buttons, or other design elements, give the browser a moment to display everything correctly. This helps make sure the saved PDF captures the page as accurately as possible. Once the page is open, take a quick look at the content on the screen. You want to make sure you are on the correct page before creating the PDF. If the page contains private information, personal details, or anything you do not want included, make sure you are comfortable saving it before continuing. The PDF will generally reflect what the browser is able to print from the page, so checking the page first is a good habit. Next, press Ctrl and P on your keyboard at the same time. This keyboard shortcut opens the print dialog in your browser. Even though the goal is not to print on paper, the print dialog is where the PDF saving option is usually located. After you press Ctrl and P, a print preview window or print settings panel should appear on the screen. Give the print preview a moment to load. Depending on the length of the Squarespace page, the browser may need a few seconds to prepare the preview. You may see the page split across multiple PDF pages, especially if the web page is long. This is normal. The print preview is simply showing how the website page will be converted into a document format. Now look for the option labeled Destination or Printer. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on the browser you are using, but it is usually near the top of the print settings area. Click the drop-down menu next to Destination or Printer. From the list of available options, choose Save as PDF or Print to PDF. This tells your browser that instead of sending the page to a physical printer, you want to create a PDF file on your computer. After selecting Save as PDF or Print to PDF, check the preview one more time. You do not need to adjust anything unless you want to, but it is useful to confirm that the PDF option is selected and that the page preview looks acceptable. This brief pause can help prevent saving the wrong page or choosing the wrong printer by mistake. When everything looks ready, click the Save button. Your computer will then ask where you want to store the file. Choose a folder that will be easy to find later, such as your Documents folder, desktop, or another location you use for website files. You may also be able to rename the file before saving it. Choose a clear file name so you can recognize the PDF later. Once you have selected the folder, confirm the save action. The browser will create the PDF and place it in the folder you chose. After that, you can open the file from your computer to make sure it's saved correctly. You should now have a PDF version of the Squarespace page ready to view, store, or share. And that is all there is to it.